Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change short meter animation in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do, just hit your start key, or you can say your option key, and just right here we need to head over to option/quit and just get over to the option customize hood. And just right here we have categories. So here we just need to choose the one which you want to change. Let's say I want to change short meters shorts. I can just select that from here. If you want to turn off the short meter, you can just turn off that from here, as well as you can turn off that for layups, free throws. It's up to you. I want to change the color of my short meter. I can just do that from here. Let's say, what if we go with purple? They'll just change the color of short meter. I'll just prefer this on white. You can change the size if you want. You can just make that large, small, and medium. You have the option for placement. You can just set that on below your feet, top of your head, and to the side. So whatever you like, you can go for that. Then we have the option for short feedback. If we open that, the thing which you are seeing at the top of the player head, which is excellent, that will be changed from here. So you can just turn off that if you like. Just like this, you can change the animation for perfect release. You can just set this on all shots, as well as you can just set this on user only. You can change the graphic, like if I set this on ball, they'll just change the graphic to ball. You can set this on flame as well as party time. It's up to you. I'll prefer ball here. Then you can change the placement by the rim above player, and right here you can change the sound effect. This is the interesting one. You can choose the sound effect which you like. Then you have player indicators. You can just choose that, basketball, flame, and just like that you can change all of the animations you like from here. You can change for player indicator, takeover icon, turbo, gameplay hood, ball trail, and so on. So yeah guys, this is pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.